Getting lost in a big city like London, it's like a nightmare. No map, no one you know, just one way out. You need to know what to ask and how to ask it. In this video, you'll follow Lisa, a girl stuck right in the middle of that nightmare. And with every question she asks, she gets one step closer to being saved.
English by Miko.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but could you help me for a moment?
Of course. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just a bit lost. I moved to London last week, and I still don't know my way around. I'm trying to find Oxford Street. Do you know how to get there?
Yes, I do. Are you walking or planning to take public transport?
I'd prefer to walk if it's not too far.
It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Just go straight for 3 blocks. Turn right at the traffic light, and it should be right in front of you. You'll see a big Zara store there.
Okay, 3 blocks straight, then right at the lights. Got it. Is it easy to miss?
Not really. It's one of the busiest streets in London. Lots of shops, people, and signs. You'll know when you get there.
Thanks. I still get confused with directions. Quick question. What exactly is a block here in the UK? We don't really use that word back home.
Good question. In London, we don't use block as much as in the US, but people often mean the distance between 2 intersections. So just walk until the next traffic light or crossroad. That counts as 1 block.
Got it. That helps a lot. Oh, and how safe is it to walk alone around here in the evening?
It's generally safe, especially in this area. But like any big city, just stay alert and avoid dark alleys. You'll be fine.
Okay, I'll be careful. By the way, I keep hearing about this Oyster card. Do I need one for buses and the tube?
Yes, it's the best option. It saves you money, too. You can get one at any tube station. There are machines and staff who can help.
Can I pay with my bank card instead?
Yes, if your card supports contactless payments, you can just tap it at the gates. Same as an Oyster card, but check with your bank for fees.
That's really useful. And one more thing. How do people usually check tube times or delays?
There's an app called TfL Go. Very helpful. Also, Google Maps works pretty well for public transport here.
Great, I'll download that. Do you recommend using the tube or buses for exploring the city?
If you're in a rush, use the tube. But if you want to see the city while traveling, buses are better, especially the double-deckers.
I'd love to try that. Oh, and what if I get lost again? Are Londoners usually okay with helping strangers?
Depends on the Londoner. But yes, most people will help if you ask nicely. Just be polite, like you've been.
Ha ha ha. That's a relief. I was worried people would be too busy.
We're always busy. But that doesn't mean we can't help.
Thanks so much. One last thing. Is there a good place around here to grab coffee or something to eat?
Definitely. There's a cafe called Black Sheep Coffee, 2 streets down. Amazing drinks. And if you're hungry, there's a Pret just around the corner.
You're a lifesaver, really. Thank you. What was your name again?
Bernard. And you?
Lisa. Nice to meet you, Bernard. And thanks again. I feel much more confident now.
Anytime, Lisa. Welcome to London, and good luck exploring.